Today I'm going to be reviewing this Urban Fudge matte hair wax. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens. Thanks for stopping by. If you haven't stopped by this channel before, please be sure to click on that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified of new videos. So guys, for those of you that have stopped by this channel before, you might wonder why my hair is looking kind of crazy and uncombed or unstyled. So you might remember I did a review on this Osmo matte clay. At that time I kind of thought, you know, yeah, this could be the replacement for my long-standing L'Oreal product that I used to use. However, I'm afraid it just didn't cut it, though it smells great, probably good for different hair types. My hair's a little bit coarse, so didn't really work out for me. So today, courtesy of a friend of mine who gave me this, I'm going to be reviewing this Urban Fudge matte wax product, and it's not open yet, all sealed up, so I'm kind of looking forward to seeing exactly how good it is. So let's take the, and he actually advised me not to take the plastic all the way off, because the downside of this container is it kind of dries out a little bit. But anyway, I'm going to pop a bit off there. I'm going to take about that much, and this time I do have a mirror, so let's give it a go. I'm going to work that into the hands. Feels good, feels nice and tacky. I'm going to get to the flower arranging, and that's it. Not much product needed at all, but yeah, sort of separates the hair, adds a bit of texture, definitely adds a lot more hold than this did. So yeah, I think it's so far so good. So the proof in the pudding will be how long does it stay in for, does it make the hair feel sticky, or you know, whatever. But I will let you know. So thanks for watching guys, that was a very quick let's see how good this product is. Urban Fudge matte hair wax, courtesy of a friend of mine. I don't have to give it back to him or anything, but I'm going to see how that pans out over the next few hours, see if it kind of holds in. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments section below. I definitely think it's better than this stuff. Whether or not it's going to be better than the L'Oreal product remains to be seen. But it's a bit sticky on the hands, as you can well imagine. This time I'm actually prepared with a towel so I can wipe my hands. But yeah, it feels like it's holding. It doesn't feel tacky in the hair. Feels good. Smells like coconut. What else can I say? Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens. Please subscribe, please click on the bell icon, and I will see you the next time.